name is David Rifkin, Product Manager with Amphenol Fiber Optic Products. Amphenol has been one of the original developers of the node service cables that are used in cable TV networks to extend fiber into the network. The node service cables are primarily designed to give that high bandwidth connectivity in a brownfield application where coax assemblies have been deployed into the house already. With our node service cable, the design has been specially made so that it is easy to install, provides a water seal, and doesn't require any disassembly of the connector to be able to be installed. With the special design, we're able to attach it without any concerns of cable twisting, and once it mates up, the whole sealed assembly allows you to mate without twisting of cable or without concerns about twisting the cables on the inside. The node service cables are available in 2 fiber up to 24 fiber with a 900 micron or up to a 2 millimeter jacketed assemblies, as well as being able to offer multiple connector styles or a mix and match of those connector styles. The straight node assemblies are designed to be able to be used in overhead applications. Amphenol also offers various versions to be able to be used in different applications also. For areas where the nodes are going to be installed on the ground in a doghouse or a similar enclosure, Amphenol offers a fixed 90-degree node cable assembly that provides the same features as the straight one, but has a fixed 90-degree bend to control the fiber and make sure that it has the smallest distance available coming off of the node. With the 90-degree assembly, the body has a fixed bend radius, providing high performance in that 90-degree application. A new addition to the family is the flexible boot node assembly. This allows the assembly to be used in either aerial applications when it's straight or in a 90-degree application or anywhere within there. With the unique design, you're able to bend the cable and fix it in the configuration that you need, depending on what application that you're going to be putting it into. So the flexible boot allows you to mate it however you need. The flexible boot version does also have the same body that allows you to tighten it up, so once you fix it into that position, you're able to install it or remove it, keeping that bend in the right application. Amphenol node service cables provide the right connectivity for just about any type of a node assembly. They provide the ability to convert the brownfield applications with higher bandwidth, bringing fiber close to the home without having to disrupt the customer when installing and upgrading the system.